Rather than wake up to the sound of a singing bell, you can wake up to the sound of a singing bird. This is a vintage, all-mechanical, singing bird alarm clock made in Germany. I'm going to advance the alarm so you can hear what you would wake up to in the morning. Very nice condition. These rarely work. And the singing bird will continue to play until you slide this little lever in back. Let's see if I can find it. Here we go. And that turns it off. And that lever is right here. See, it says go and then stop. In summary, a very interesting and different mechanical singing bird alarm clock that you just don't see very often. Take care.